Welcome back, guys. Another episode of Diesel Diaries. I know we've been gone for a little bit, but I decided to make a quick little video right now. Like always, you already know I keep it short and simple as I can. So today we have this issue. Our turn signals are going back and forth, and we're getting codes for SAM chassis. So we're doing a bunch of other stuff to this one, including new seats and stuff. But let me show you guys. So another thing is, aside from those turn signals, we go ahead and turn on the lights, and we have these turn signals, the side markers, but no lights, nothing whatsoever. Oh wait, we do have lights. I lied, we do have lights. We just don't have the turn signals in the front. And then you have your side markers flashing, the clearance lights, which is never good. Alright guys, as you can tell on the SAM chassis, it does say lost communication with the SAM chassis. So first thing I'm going to be doing is checking the SAM chassis. So it has been messed with already, and the first things I found out was our wiring was loose. So basically that's it. Let me go ahead and tighten this up, and I'll show you guys that fixed our problem. All right, let me go ahead and get up here. Let's go ahead and turn the ignition back on to accessory. And there it is. The flickering little turn signals are off. Clearance lights are not flickering anymore. And let's see. The lost communication for the SAM chassis has gone away, not active anymore. So basically that's gonna be the main culprit for this issue. Always check your plugs, make sure they're all clipped in, your fuses, and then your wiring, because from the SAM chassis it does go to the power distribution part, whatever is the proper name is, and it does go to the PNDB. So also check your fuses on the PNDB and your connections. Make sure all the bolts are nice and tight. Let me go ahead and turn this one on. Also check your grounds. Sometimes your grounds can be at fault as well, but in our case it was just the power going to the SAM chassis. The nuts on the bolts were loose. That SAM chassis was messed with before. So like I was saying, that SAM chassis was messed with before, and I believe the mechanic didn't tighten them right, so they backed out while the driver was driving. But we were able to find it. Real simple, real easy. Don't forget to like this video if it helped. Share it with whoever you think needs help. Comment, subscribe. It doesn't cost you anything. Help support the channel. We're almost at 500. Hopefully we hit 1,000 by June, which is my birthday. That's where I'm trying. That's my goal, hitting 1,000. Anything else that you guys might run into, let me know down in the comments, and I'll go ahead and post as much as I can from now on. Again, and I've been slacking a little bit, but content's coming back. All right, guys. Thank you guys for watching. If you're out on the road, be safe. If you're at home, enjoy your time with your family. See you guys on the next one. Peace.